The first thing that I do after a long summer day is walk into my room and turn on my wax candle. I love using a wax candle that you plug into the wall just because it's much easier to just turn it on. You don't have to light it up like you do with a normal candle. And it also has cute little bees around it, which I think are super cute, so love it. Next, it's time to just take out my favorite jewelry, which is this Tiffany & Co necklace, and just set it aside to just get comfy. Now I just go inside the bathroom and get ready to take a long hot shower. After I'm done taking a nice hot shower, I go out and I put on some comfy sweatpants and a little t-shirt with my slippers. And now let's go to my favorite part of the night, and it is to take care of my skin by performing a full-on skincare routine. After I use my cleanser, I use an exfoliator the days that I do not wear a mask, because if I use both of them in the same night, it's going to like strip my skin off, so we don't want that. So I'm just applying this little exfoliator and it smells so good. Next, I go ahead and take a cotton ball and just apply the toner. This new year, I started to apply a lip mask on my lips, obviously, so that's what I'm doing right now. Now it's time to moisturize. Also guys, if you want to see a more in-depth skincare routine where I actually explain the benefits of each product that I use, I'm going to put the little card right here so you can click it after you finish this video, and I'm also going to put the little link on the description box. So one thing that I started doing this 2019 is planning my days the day before. This way you don't waste your day after you wake up trying to figure out the things that you need to do and stuff like that. You just plan it the day before and you are ready to go when you wake up. So to plan my days, I use the Daily Planner by Lavender. This planner is absolutely amazing. It's really interactive. It helps you plan your day a little bit better by asking questions like, what do you want to feel today, or how do you want to feel today, what's your focus for today, and helps you narrow down the important tasks that you want to accomplish for today. Also has a section after you finish doing everything to just sit down and think and write things that you are grateful for. That it also has a section for you to like write down the self-care habits that you are going to do that day, just because I feel that after a long day of running errands, it's really important to just take a little bit of time to just write down some things that you really want to do and honestly feel that it's gonna help you. Now it's time to treat myself with some ice cream and pour myself some water to just watch Netflix and chill.